They're at the post. They're off in the Jacques Cartier Stakes. Really Sharp broke well, as did Paso Doble, and they're split by Sharp Sensation. And Sharp Sensation comes on to grab the lead. And it's Sharp Sensation blistering up the backstretch. On the outside, Really Sharp. To the inside, Paso Doble. Say No More is fourth and 3.5 lengths off the lead. Then Dan the Tin Man, Burnham and Trailing's the Gray. Victory Exchange, 21-2. An astonishing opening 2 furlongs. And it's Sharp Sensation by a length and a half. Dan the Tin Man improves at the rail. Paso Doble maintains second. Coming with a run now is Really Sharp from off the pace. Down to the inside is Dan the Tin Man. Fifth is Say No More. 43-3 for the opening half mile, and they turn for home. And Really Sharp comes on the outside to take the lead. And it's Really Sharp and Stephen Bayan with 1 furlong to go. Here comes Dan the Tin Man now. Dan the Tin Man, Really Sharp, coming weight between horses is Victory Exchange. Dan the Tin Man, Victory Exchange surges. Here is the wire. Dan the Tin Man by the narrowest of margins in the Jacques Cartier, a place photo between Victory Exchange and Really Sharp.